Welcome to Planet Shac.
Planet Shac. It's been a minute, man. I've been working full time all day, every day except for sleep. Real talk. But I got a little time today. We got to talk about what's happening in the markets because a lot of people are panicking and they shouldn't be. This is not a crash. This is just downward flow, some little flow downward, none too crazy. What we're seeing right now, let's call it what it is. Stocks are bearish. S&P is down, NASDAQ down, Bitcoin down. Bitcoin is down like 20-30% in a month, which sounds crazy until you remember there are trillions of dollars in crypto. Not billions, but trillions. Money doesn't disappear. Money moves. And yeah, we've seen worse than this. Last year was uglier than this. That downturn dragged on for months before the market finally said, all right, let's go back up. So if you're expecting a quick V-shaped bounce tomorrow, just relax. Markets don't work on your lunch break schedule. It will be back though. Let me say this clearly. Do not panic. You can sell, you can rotate, you can rebalance, but panic selling is how money transfers from emotional hands to patient hands. Stock market is not broken. The stock market is healthy. I look at the market like this. As long as humanity is intact, the market is intact. Companies exist, people work, technology advances, energy gets used, food gets eaten. That doesn't just stop because of a red week or even a red quarter. Everything's still going, still flowing. This is not the end of the market. So why are the markets actually going down? Markets don't drop because the world is ending. They drop because institutions are taking profit. We got Wall Street moving things around, less risk. We got headlines creating fear. We got money rotating from tech to gold. We got crypto to cash. We got growth stocks to value stocks. Fear is a feature, not a bug. It shakes out weak conviction so the next leg higher has stronger buyers underneath it. What historically brings markets back? Y'all stay patient. Here's the most important part. Where does the turnaround happen? Historically, it's not magic, but it's catalyst. So number one, we have jobs data. When employment stays strong or improves, the markets realize, oh, okay, people still making money. People still have money, stronger jobs, more spending, more earnings, higher stock prices. Number two, we got interest rate signals. Markets don't need rate cuts. They need clarity. Even a headline like, oh, rates might pause or inflation is cooling, that alone sparks rallies. You've seen it multiple times. Just a headline will get investors say, okay, there's a good future. There's a good future. Number three is big headlines from leaders. Whether you like it or not, Trump, he's a leader. When he says we're reducing tariffs, market changes. He eases tension. He supports businesses. And now everyone is ready to put their money in. The markets instantly react. Politics move money, period. And number four, we got major companies giving hope. This one is huge. We got companies like Apple, Nvidia, Microsoft, Tesla. When a major company says, here's our next growth engine, money floods back in fast. Okay, so do not panic. And then we got number five, which is buybacks and institutional re-entry. This is a quiet one nobody talks about. When prices drop enough, institutions step back in, not emotionally, but mathematically. That's when the floor forms because they know, hey, things are calm now, things are dropping. Let's jump back in. We start throwing billions, millions of dollars, and everything goes back up. So what you should do right now, if you're working overtime, if you just got paid, if you're just stacking cash, this is exactly when discipline matters. You don't have to go all in. You don't have to be a hero. But historically, money invested during fear performs better than money invested during the hype. Okay, so the market rewards patience, consistency, conviction, not panic. This is the perfect time to get in. Look, we may go through rough times, markets flow down, markets flow up, but humanity is always moving forward. And as long as humanity thrives, the markets will thrive. I put my word on it. This Planet Shac, we don't panic over here. We position, we look ahead, we foreshadow, we foresee. And yeah, man, I'm back to work, man. I'll be back, man. Planet Shac.